A huge trade here on the British pound, Australian dollar, 5-minute charts. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you what happened on this crazy day. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the power of Forex Trendy during important economic appointments. Okay, on the economic calendar, today was the Bank of England rate decision day. In fact, they decided to raise the interest rates of 25 basis points. So if you are an experienced trader, you know that you can make a lot of money during these appointments. If you are a beginner, you can start practicing trading the news. You can start on demo account, then find the right strategy. If you don't have one, you can use Forex Trendy. You can practice on them, of course. And the first trade of the day here was British pound, Australian dollar. We have flag buy signal break at 90.27. So the breakout was pretty good. Then the price retraced, retesting the 90.10 level, and then started to go up, retracing. And then after the news release, the interest rate news, the price started to go up as usual. Very strong, up to 91.45, so at least 120 pips, and then it recovered whole. As usual, price, the market usually recovers from these huge moves. And if you are an experienced one, you know that you can make a massive amount of money. And experienced traders made double profit, 100 pips up and then 100 pips down. So as you can see, if you use Forex Trendy, of course you will find very good opportunities like this. But I want to be clear, not every day is going to be like this. You will find losers too. So it's very important to use stop loss. We got other trades here. This is I'm using Forex Trendy on high reliability. The New Zealander and Japan yen, we have a flag sell signal break at 75.86. This was a loser. In fact, the price continued to trend, to move up. So was a bad one. The Singapore dollar and the Japan yen, we have a flag buy signal break at 84.94. This is a textbook trade. The price breaking through the trend line, retesting it, and then going up to 85.52. The candles are small, so everything is in set for a very good trade. I like this kind of charts. There is not too much volatility. The sides are pretty small. You don't have big candles, so you don't have problem to set too big stop loss. So if you can choose a chart like this, go for it. This is not a financial advice, of course, because market conditions change every time, but this is my personal advice. I personally select this kind of charts. So if you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. You will save a lot of time if you don't like to stay on the charts all day long. I am a day trader. For me, it's a passion, so it's not a problem. I find the trade in a few seconds, but it's just experience, But of course, this tool is amazing for this because it's fast. You'll find good signals. If you go on reliability high or highest, I also use medium. You will find more trades. I'm going to show you. We got this trade here, British pound, Japan yen, same story. As you can see, break out the 55.23, going up to 56.46. Okay, another big one, another big one. So if you have comments, questions, leave the comments below if you want to know more about this tool, or if you have special requests like make a video about this topic, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Leave a like if you liked the video. See you soon. Bye bye.